Hi guys, in today's video, I will show you how to fix the briefly unavailable schedule maintenance error in WordPress. So this error occurs when WordPress is currently in maintenance mode. Now WordPress maintenance mode occurs when you're updating your plugins or any particular theme on your WordPress website. So this error message is displayed to prevent your website from appearing broken on the front end. Now this error should be fixed after the update by default, but if this error is not fixed, I'll show you how to do that. So to fix this error, we'll go to our cPanel. Now you can access your cPanel by going to your web hosting provider and you log into your account. So we'll click on File Manager. So from the File Manager, you look for your website folder. So in my own case here, I have a subdomain folder. So if you don't have a subdomain folder, you just click on the public underscore HTML file. But if you have a subdomain folder, you look for the subdomain folder. So from the public.html file, so from here we should see a file called .maintenance. And in case you don't see this file, you go to settings, then ensure that the show hidden files is checked on. So right click on the .maintenance file, then we'll delete the file. Then I'll check this to skip the file from entering into the trash bin. Then I'll click on confirm. Then I'll go back to my website. Then I'll refresh the page. So with this guys, we successfully fixed the briefly unavailable maintenance error. I hope today's video has helped you out. Like and subscribe and also share this video to your friends. Thank you guys.